Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Hana, an AI product developed by Hanabi Technologies. So here in this video we are gonna share you few daily work examples so that you can very well relate in your work life and understand how it will help you boost your productivity. And before we get started, I hope you are subscribed to our channel. So let's move on to our first example. Here you can see Shamshad Muzawar has shared a document, the business proposal document that we got from our client who wanted to develop a business website. And here in this doc, he shared all the requirements for the website, and thus we to provide a proper response to this business proposal, we took the help of Hana to scan the document and provide the asked answer. So here Santosh Kumar, one of our employee, has asked Hana using /docs command, one of our 14 commands, to give a proper context for this business proposal, and based on our cost, that is $15 per hour, and within seconds, Hana replied with a proper cost estimate. Based on what was the requirement, she divided the complete information into proper phases that were required to develop the website. That is phase 1 planning and design, phase 2 development, phase 3 testing, and each phase she provided what will be the hours required for this particular phase and what will be the total cost for the phase, and at last she summarized the total cost and gave us the total estimate cost. Also, she provided some additional notes, follow-up strategy that will help us get the client on board, and some conclusion. So, and further we have interacted with Hana just by using @Hana command to further get our proposal more perfect. And as you can see, we are interacting with Hana in thread. The reason is Hana always remembers history in thread. So this way you can interact with Hana like any other team member and ask her any questions based on the above context, and she will answer accordingly. So I hope you understand how it saves your time and makes your work easy. So let's move on to our second example, where you can see now Archer has shared a screenshot. This is a Google Ads screenshot where he has got some error and he didn't know why it has come and how to resolve this. So for that he used the second command, imageintelligence command, one of the command out of the 14 command, to help and understand what is this issue. So he asked Hannah that what was the error and how to resolve this error, and Hannah gave a very clear answer regarding why the error has occurred and how to resolve this, and this complete interaction was just within minutes. So you can get this how quick he got the error, the solution for the error, he got his answers very quick, and how he solved this problem. So now we'll move on to a third example, that is report groups command. That is also one of our 14 commands, from one of our 14 commands. So I think we have covered two commands. This is the third one, report groups. Here now Archa use report groups to know what his tech team has done in the last month, and Hana gave him the complete answer, which is, you can see, this is the long answer with I guess 36 pointers and few more pointers for committed to complete tasks. So these were all the tasks done last month, and you can see this is a lot of information to read and this might take a lot of time. So now Archer in the thread asked Hannah to summarize this complete information, and Hannah very well segregated all the information and divided into parts, like what tasks were done, what were committed to complete, what were the blockers, and thus we get all the answers on our desk. Now you might be wondering how team members report their work in the group. So here you can see you can use the same report groups command, add the group name and report your work in the particular group. Like here now Archer has reported his work. As you can see, Hana report in daily text stand up that I have completed online custom search engine integration for Hana by considering top 3 research results in context, and thus the message was reported in the group. And now if further anyone asks what was done in this particular group, Hannah will reply with the answer as she answered earlier. So this was again one more example, and now we'll move on to our fourth example, where we send some market listing form to Gartner, and we got a reply from them that thank you for submitting the Gartner digital markets request listing form, and they further needed some answers to few questions to understand what we want. So these were kind of 4 questions, like what are the growth and lead generation goals, are you running other marketing campaigns to hit these goals currently, and two more. And and thus we asked Hannah to generate a response for this based on the profile that we created in our database to market Hannah. So in the database, like in the memory, we saved a data where we shared the complete information about Hannah, and thus Hannah used the same information to generate a response. So here she has very well created answers for every question. Like there were 4 questions, for each question she created a perfect answer for each of them, like, and we got this within minutes. So so this was very helpful and this was very quick. And further now we'll move on to our last example. This is a memory kind of example. Like Deep Makadia, one of her employee, has asked Hannah that give me link of npm release doc, and within seconds Hannah replied to Deep Makadia and shared the npm release documentation link. Now you might be wondering how she got that. So you can have this thing in 2 ways. In the first way, you can use slash memory command, memory, and use this memory command and add the information followed by some information that you want to add in her memory, and after this the memory will be saved in her database, and then whenever you ask her she will reply it. This was the first way. The another way is you can simply move on to the Hana dashboard, and here you can see the GitHub release npm versioning notion link. So this one you can add it from here as well. Like here you can see the memory link, npm versioning notion link, and this way you can add it from here, like create memory and add the required information that you want in our database, that is in a memory. So this way you can use our memory feature as well in the Hana dashboard, and this will help you work very efficiently. I hope you can relate all these examples in your daily work life and you find this very useful. So we are hoping that you get on board as soon as possible. We also have a free plan to try out our product. Thank you.